The death toll in China from the fast-spreading Wuhan coronavirus has jumped to 170. And in China, there are over 7,700 confirmed cases. The virus has now spread to every region of China. Still, authorities say that they are confident that they will win the fight against this deadly disease.
Aviation authorities believe the small number of cases abroad show that prevention measures have been successful. As China prepares for an influx of travelers returning home from their New Year break, disinfection and temperature screenings are being stepped up at several border checkpoints. The World Health Organization's Emergency Committee will meet again tonight in Geneva.
A decision is likely on whether the coronavirus should be declared a global public health emergency. The panel met twice already last week, but decided that the time wasn't right to declare an international emergency. But the organization says recent developments, such as evidence of human-to-human transmission, are worrying.
As the number of coronavirus cases continue to spike, more countries are racing to get their citizens out of China. The second Japanese plane carrying some 210 of its citizens has arrived in Tokyo from Wuhan earlier today.
9 people showed symptoms of fever or coughing. It comes after authorities confirmed 3 citizens evacuated on the first plane were infected with the virus. At least 1 more chartered flight is expected in the coming days.
A South Korean chartered plane is on its way back to bring back about half of its 700 citizens living in Wuhan. Once they land in South Korea, they're expected to be taken to Asan in the Chungcheong province. Evacuation efforts have been met with some resistance from residents living near the planned quarantine centers who fear they could be put in danger.
In the meantime, Indonesia is also preparing to evacuate its citizens from Wuhan. The government is working with the authorities in Beijing and waiting for their approval. These people will be quarantined for 14 days on arrival.